Hello, I am Bhuvnesh Chauhan, your social science teacher. Now I am going to explain chapter 1 of economics for class 10th, and the chapter's name is development. The plan or the project of growth or progress has always been with us. We have ambitions, what we would like to do and how would we like to live. In the same way, we have suggestions on what a country should be like. What are necessary things that we need? Can life be more valuable for all? How can people reside together? Can there be more impartiality? Progress or development requires thinking about these questions in which we can make efforts towards achieving or executing these goals. This is a difficult work, and in this chapter we shall make a start to explain what does development means. It is because the way we live today has an impression of the past. We can't wish or have ambitions for change without being careful or cautious of this. These ambitions and opportunities can be achieved in real life only through a democratic political process. What development promises different people, different goals. Now we should imagine or conclude what development or progress means to the different persons listed in the table given below. What are their aims or ambitions or aspirations? Category of persons and development goals or aspirations. First of all, in category of persons, landless rural laborers. Now in development goals or aspirations, more days of work and better wages. Local school is able to provide quality education for the children. There is no social discrimination and they too can become leaders in the village. Now from the category of persons, prosperous farmers from Punjab. And now in development goals or aspirations, assured high family income through high support prices for the crops and through hard working and cheap laborers. They should be able to settle their children abroad. Now from category of persons, farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops, and in now in development goals or aspirations, assured irrigation development in the field. Now from category of persons, a rural woman from a land owning family. In development goals or aspirations, she should be able to use high yielding varieties of seeds. Now from category of persons, urban employed youth, he or she find a job to earn money in development goals or aspirations. Now from category of persons, a boy from a rich urban family, he will go to abroad to study in development goals or aspirations. In category of persons, a girl from a rich urban family, and in development goals or aspirations, she gets as much freedom as a brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. She is able to pursue her studies abroad. Now in category of persons, an Adivasi from Narmada Valley, he or she should get proper shelter and food. After completing the above table, let us examine it. Do all the persons shown in the above table have same idea of development or progress? Most likely or possibly not. Each of them attempts different things. They attempt things which are most necessary for them, that is, that which can execute their ambitions or wishes. Actually, at times two persons or group of persons may attempt things which are clashing with each other. Again, next question. A girl hopes as much as liberty and chance as a brother, and that he also contributes in the domestic works. Her brother may not enjoy or like this. Industrialists may want more dams to get more electricity, but to obtain more electricity, the lands may drown and upset the lives of the people who are unsettled, such as tribes. They may prefer small check dams or tanks to irrigate their land. So two things are absolutely clear. One, different persons can have different development goals, and two, what may be the development for one and may not be the development for the other. It may even be destructive for the other. In income and other goals. If we go over to table A, again we will observe one common thing. What people wishes are regular work, better salaries and reasonable price for the crops and other objects they produce. In other words, they want more profit. On the other hand, looking for more wages, one or the other, people also look for the other things like equal treatment, liberty, safety and regard of others. They resist differentiation. These all are important goals. Certainly in some cases, these may be more necessary than more wages or expenditure because we do not need material goods to live. If one can buy material things with money, which is one of the factor on which our life depends. The status of our life also depends on non-material things that are noted above. If it is not clear to us, then just think of the position of our friends in our life. We may wish their closeness. In the same way, there are frequent things that are simply monitored but they mean a plenty of to our lives. These are frequently neglected. Although it will be wrong to determine what cannot be measured is not valuable. Let us take another example. If we get a placement in a distant place, before confirming it, we would try to think about many aspects apart from salary, like protection for our family, workplace, or chance or scope to study. In another example, a placement may give less salary but may give us a proper or standard job that may improve our self-satisfaction. Another placement, although may give high salary but no secure employment and also give no extra time for our family, this will decrease our self-satisfaction and liberty. In the same way for progress, people look at a mix of aim or hope or ambitions. It is the fact that women are committed or involved in salaried work, their self-respect or status in the family circle or domestic. And in culture or circle grows or rises or it improves. Although it is also the case that if there would be more distribution of housekeeping or house cleaning and of a greater welcome or confirmation of women working outdoors, a protecting and guarding atmosphere may give more women to contribute a range of jobs or to run their own business. Thus, the goals of development that people are not only about better wages or salaries, but also about the valuable things in our life.